Established in 2003, Great Vision International Incorporated is a professional flooring supplier with 16 years export experience. We have 4 cooperated production bases, which provide SPC flooring, WPC flooring, LVT flooring, HPL wooden flooring, and synchronized HPL. There are 30 production lines for WPC and 15 production lines for SPC, 2 printing decor lines, and 3 profiling lines. Our monthly capacity is 210 containers, including 80 containers SPC, 70 containers WPC, 50 containers LVT, and 10 containers HPL. Our products are CE, Floor Score certificated. Meanwhile, 7 color film factories support us with quick delivery and novel designs. Our bases have powerful R&D ability and are constantly developing new products. We have professional QC team and laboratory for high quality control. We have sales office in South Korea with 13 years experiences in market operation and have a large share in Korean market. We're still increasingly expand the market all over the world, Southeast Asia, North America, Western Europe, and Oceania. We are looking for global partners who experience flooring distribution. We guarantee for on-time delivery, reliable quality of various waterproof vinyl flooring. With our supply chain and your local service advantage, we work for your benefits and lifetime friendship. Profession creates perfection. Looking forward to working with you.